Hi guys, it's me Zarina, co-owner of Coffee Maybe Davao Branch. Way back before guys, katong bago pa ko nakapagtrabaho, abi na ko sayon kayo mag-business. Makita na ko ilaaten kuya nga mag-travel abroad, mapalit ang mga latest gadgets, and nakahulaw na agad ko ato guys nga wow, nindutan nilag life oy. But now, as a co-owner sa business nila, dira na ako na-realize nga, it really requires a bunch of effort to come this far. Back then, ang focus lang yun na ako kay unsaon pagbuhat sa drinks, unsaon pag-entertain sa customer, na-serve ba na ako ang ilang order og tama, and satisfied ba sila sa among service. And wala sad sa akong nauna before kung unsa na yung mga nahitabo behind the scene, like inventory, finances, ug unsa pa na dira. Basta mao lang jud tong ako am. Then here comes the time that I became a co-owner. I saw everything from a different perspective. Daghan kayo kag dapat i-consider when you own a business. From keeping up with inventory to managing employees. Kay kanata ng details, kay gamatter gyud siya. And ang sales, dili lang siya puro pilay ni sudod sa imong mga income. It's about understanding where every peso goes. You know guys, sabi na ko before nga ang hardest part was making sales. But na-realize na ko no, mas lisod di ay mag-manage og tao and maghimog decision sa imong own business. Pero guys, there's something so rewarding about it naman. Pareha saan nang makita niyo may mga regular customers nga happy, watching our team grow, and knowing that we are building something meaningful. And sa kana pa lang, makaingon gyud ko nga ang among hard work is worth it ra pod. I used to think owning a business meant freedom and luxury. Now, I see it for what it is. A lot of hard work, but also a lot of heart. If you're dreaming of starting your own cafe, just know it won't be easy. But if passionate you're in a field, it's absolutely worth it.